Hey guys, welcome to DevOps School. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about GitLab.
But before we begin, let me inform you few things about us. DevOps School is one of the leading platforms which offers DevOps, cloud and containers technology training and certification programs for freshers and established professionals who wish to update and consolidate their skills in the dynamic IT scenario. We ensure that the training solutions are delivered by highly experienced domain experts with practical working experience in various verticals. Check out the dates and enroll with us for our upcoming batches. For more info, link and contact details are mentioned in the description below.
I need to talk about what is the upload file means. What is the new file means? What is the add readme, add license, and add changelog and add contributing. These all are different files which will be added. Okay, if you are a programmer, probably you know that these are the license file for the code, any changelog modifications, any contribution, author information, readme, how to use that code, and some new file and upload files. Now here configuring integration I'll talk about later. Okay, how will CI things will do that, will come to know. Now I am going to refresh. Now again, if you are not familiar with the Git, these are all commands I have given to use it. You can check this different scenarios and refresh. Done. Now you see that here, first commit. So remember that I want to know few information from, see, if you're a Git expert, you got to know. But I want to know GitLab should tell me who modified this code, when modification has happened, why modifications has happened, what modifications has happened, and where this modifications is there. I want to know through the GitLab. So let's find out. So guys, first thing here, see auto DevOps. This is the one. Just ignore it right now. I don't want to enable auto DevOps. Okay. Now, first thing, look at the repository and files. See that. So earlier it was showing you many UI, don't get lost. You just see this one. So first thing, what file is there? So file 1.java. Who committed? Why committed? Because it was first commit. When committed? 3 months ago, 3 minutes ago. And what is the ID? This is the commit ID. Now click on it. What content? This code is empty file, so there's no. Okay, every information you get it here. Also all the commit, whatever one commit right now you have it. This is the commit, time, author, who committed, commit ID, everything you can see that. Locations, got it all of you? Now you can modify this code also, by the way, files, and work in the editor. So this editor is very intuitive. You can check this out. So here web ID, okay, which you can use it for this. History means commit history. Web ID, you can use it and modify this file on the browser itself. And here you see here branching. All of you understand the branching model, right? Git. Yeah. So one more thing, the thing which you are not aware, please feel free to ask, because I don't know how much you know in a Git. So accordingly, I can accommodate. Without knowledge of Git, you cannot learn GitLab. So this is the things. So here, this is the file which you are modifying. So I'm writing that this is a code line 1. This is a code line 2. This is code line 3, code line 4, code line 5, all this thing. And the same thing which I did through command line, I am doing through. Okay. So here changes, code commit, modifying, editing using GitLab. Okay. And you want to create a new branch or commit to the master branch. Right now, I'm not interested in a new branch because I don't want to complicate the flow, master branch only. And commit. And here 2 commits. I have this on file. Let's go back. Yeah, go to files and commits. So now see here, one commit I did through Rajesh Kumar, but another commit I did through root. Web editor has a different UI, different thing. So here, all this thing. So yeah, this is the file. This is the commit. Which branch? Master branch. And after that, I'll go ahead and show you remaining features also one by one. But do you have any questions so far? Yeah, there is no review. You can enable it actually. So review you can enable it. Yeah, by default it's not there. Pull request and all. Discussions will be there. Any questions so far? Okay. So here you have a commit, branching, tagging. I'll talk about in some time because branching and tagging we have a pull request feature. So I'll talk about it. Now, see here. I don't think so. I should talk about what is a new file. All of you are comfortable, right? Adding a new file through web upload file, new directory, you can add it. These are all things you can do that. New branch and new tag, I'll talk about it in some time. Here, history means number of commits. You can find a file in the entire the repository. Here, download this. Here, this whole repository as a zip, tarball, and all this file format. Clone, this is the one which you have SSH, HTTPS and all. If you are modifying in Visual Studio Code, you can use this one, IDs and all. So that's anyways there. Make sense? So what is a lab right now? Lab is nothing. Each one of you will create, please hear me out. Each one of you will create a few groups. In one groups, you will create multiple projects. One projects, you will take it up and clone it and commit, push it, and do some web editing also, and followed by we'll get into the commit, branches, taggings, and blah blah blah. Okay, for that how much time you need? 15 minutes. Okay, go ahead guys.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone. If you would like to access the remaining videos of this playlist of 50 plus more tools which are coming under DevOps, DevSecOps, SRE, DataOps, GitOps, etc., kindly become our channel members by clicking on the joining button. You would have access to 100s of playlists and 1000s of videos lifetime access with this membership. Enjoy.